Right up there. Look at that. Look at it twisting up there. That little tail piece off there. Look at it twist. Can you see the twisting? That's wicked.
You need to get inside.
That's the tail of a tornado. Look at it come down.
Oh my, it kind of is, isn't it?
It is the tail of a tornado. Look at that. I'm actually witnessing. That is wild.
Do you think it is?
Oh yeah, I know it is. Look at it spin.
Here, look.
Tornado, Taryn. Taryn, come and look.
It's like a little tornado right there. Cool.
Look at it spin. It's building up strength too.
That's not a really cool thing, you know. It's kind of a bad thing.
Start twisting?
It's kind of a symbol of just
Tell Dell to come out. Tell Dell to come out.
Megan.
Megan, Dale, check this out. It's twisting. Oh, it's going away.
This little thing right here was coming down, and you can see how it's.
Oh yeah.
It was like really forming good.
It was for a minute.
Look at it, and it's like long.
It was even longer a minute ago.
Yeah, it was even longer.
It had the little smaller, little thin tail, just like what you see. It was spinning. It's been
Now it's
spinning.
gonna get bigger.
But it was actually.
Oh, it was bigger than that.
What are you looking at? That little spinny part there.
That's the tail of a tornado.
No, it's.
Look at it spin.
That's just a cloud.
Oh, whatever.
It is.
It's not a tornado.
It's not a tornado, but
Tornadoes don't lay flat.
before you guys got out.